In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Roblox not launching. We have 3 methods to go over in this video, so stick with me. And don't worry, none of them actually involve sacrificing, say, your Wi-Fi router at a ritual, unless of course you're into that. Before we do dive into this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Let's go ahead and dive into method number 1, which is going to be obviously fully uninstalling and reinstalling Roblox. To do this, go ahead and hit that Windows key and in the search bar type in add or remove programs and hit enter to go to a page that looks like this. From here up at the very top, type in Roblox and find the Roblox player as well as the Roblox Studio. Click on these 3 dots, hit uninstall on both of them. And the next thing that you're going to want to do is open up command by going down here, typing in cmd, and it's going to pull up a page that works. And in this first option, go ahead and type in cd %app data %, and then go ahead and hit enter. And then go ahead and type in rmdir-s and then space Roblox. What this is going to do is nuke any leftover files. And after doing so, head over to a new tab and type in Roblox, download, hit enter, and then download Roblox again. And you're going to be able to run it fresh. Now, method number 2 is going to make sure that it's not actually you, but Roblox itself. Just open up, once again, a new tab and just type in Roblox server status and hit enter. And if it doesn't say all systems operational, then yeah, just sit back and wait. There's no amount of uninstalling that's going to fix their servers. But finally, method number 3 is going to be a little bit different. If you've been launching it from your browser, go ahead and try launching it from the Roblox app. If you're in the app, go to the browser. Sometimes Roblox just likes when you change positions. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. Roblox should finally launch. If it did work, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.